Hello friends, today we will discuss about SQL select statement. So this is a part 8 of SQL tutorial series, and in this tutorial and in this part we will discuss about select statement. If you don't know about select statement, so please watch SQL series at the first part, and before watching this video please watch part 7 SQL modify delete table and columns. Now let's start SQL statement. Select statement select statement is the most used in SQL command, and the select statement is used for retrieves rows from the database and enables the selection of one or many rows or columns from one or more tables in the database. Now here is a command for all columns in our table. So we will use the trade table as an example here. So let's start. First open SQL Management Studio, Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Now let's a new query, shortcut Control N. Now use command to go to our database. Command completely successfully. Here is a result, my data. Now here is a columns that used in a trade table. There are many columns in a trade table. So let's start. First select start from trade. Here is all our data from a trade table. Now one more thing, keep in mind, note that SQL is not case sensitive. Select and select as same. Here is same, not a case sensitive, same result, and also give us a same result. Get all the data in a trade table. Now if you want to view columns specifically, column name you want to retrieve from a table, so use a column name. Like we have many columns, but I want symbol and trade quantity, so we use select symbol or trade quantity, symbol or trade quantity from trade. So we have output like this, symbol and trade quantity only. So select statement is used. Select statement is the most used SQL command, and everywhere use a select statement. Now select statement with order by. So what is order by? Order by, you may also sort by several columns in a table. You want to data to appear in a specific order, you need to use the order by keyword, and here is a sentence for using order by keyword. Now that means retrieve all the data from a trade table and order to trade number in ascending. Keep in mind, if you use the order by keyword, by default order is ascending. If you want to descending, so we use descending keyword. By default it's ascending. Now select trade order by, we have order by trade number. F5 to execute this query. Here is trade number order by 67, 64, 65, 66, 67. It's by default ascending. If you want to order by descending, use this keyword DESC, descending, and last. Now it's in a descending order: 42, 41, 40, 39. Now select statement with distant keyword. Distant keyword in a table, some of the columns may contain a duplicate value, like a same value in a column, but that's not a problem. But sometimes we will want to list only the difference value in a column, so we use distance keyword. The distance keyword can be used to return only different values. So here is a sentence: select distance security name from a table. Now we use a group by in this query, but we have discussed, we will discuss group by in a next video. But in this video we use some mathematics sum option and group by and distance keyword. So let's start. Now here is our data. Our requirement is only security name and traded quantity, so we use distant keyword. Which column? Security name. Name and sum, security name and sum trade quantity. Quantity from a table. As quantity from a table, as means our requirement column name. Now we use group by for a security name, so group by security name. Delete this. Here is our full query, and as quantity, so trade quantity not much better. As quantity as a proper name of our column. So let's run it. Here is our only security name and traded quantity. Calculate sum. So distinct keyword and group by or many keywords using with a select statement. A select statement most used in SQL. Now SQL select statement with where clause. Where clause, the where clause is used to extract only those records that fulfill a specific criteria. Means we have only specific security name in our example. In our trade table example, we have only specific security name. So first we select all data, and now we only like SRF. We want only SRF data, so where security name is equal to and punctuation mark SRF. So let's run it. Now we have only SRF data in our trade quantity. And here is a operators for used in where clause: equal, not equal, greater than, less than, between, like, in. Now if we don't want to SRF data, simply change the operator and we get output without SRF. Now here is no SRF in our view, and greater than, so greater than is that trade quantity greater than 20. So where trade quantity greater than 20, sorry. So we have only that data which quantity, trade quantity is greater than 20, and similar to less than. Less than 30, so only that data less than 30 trade quantity. Where clause only trade quantity less than 30, and greater than or equal to, it's same but only equal quantity also mapped. Sorry, mistake. Now we use 20 first. So we have see this is a 20 trade quantity, but we change it so 20 not display. Now 20 is gone, but we equal to 20 means we have 20 quantity data in our view. Between, like, and in operator, trade quantity between 10 and 30. So we have output like this, only trade quantity between 10 and 30. And like operator, the like operator is used to search for a specific pattern in a column after a percentage symbol. So here is the output.